But you can also follow us on our Facebook page @RacingJets or Fly Racing on Twitter. And this morning we overflew Manhattan Island. We were so lucky to fly over the Statue of Liberty. It was a great moment for us, Rob.
Oh, Luke, to have the Breitling jet team fly by the Statue of Liberty says one thing. They thank you from the United States to the people of France for giving us Lady Liberty.
Yes, that's true. So, ladies and gentlemen, now from our right-hand side, 5L39 for the famous Apache roll. Four jets are flying very close to each other, while the fifth one is performing power works around them. It's Gaston watching jet number 7. And this maneuver was invented by our leader Jacques and has been adopted by many other jets around the world. As you can see, we can fly very close. And now, let's see what Paco chase for more. And the pilot loves his Albatros, the L39 Albatros, because he has an excellent handling and maneuverability both at high and low speed, making it a favorite. Today, the speed during the display is nearly 500 miles per hour. So, ladies and gentlemen, Popo and Paco on our right-hand side, and the main formation is arriving on our left-hand side. Let's see what they have in store for us. Are you ready? Awesome! The Pac-Man crossing! You have all heard me calling the pilots by their call signs since today. And this is for us an easy way to communicate during the demonstration instead of using our full names. Of us, ladies and gentlemen, are two solo jets for their split. Ready? And now the main formation in front of us, Smoker, 5L39 for the fantastic Ocean Master Wave. It was the leader orders. With the smoke twice leaving a graphic imprint in the sky. And now Pompon, our lead solo, is performing a power war with the gear down. Really low speed, 150 miles an hour. You can see the maneuverability at low speed of the L39. The gear is up now, accelerating, repositioning on the axis by this left. So now Pompon is performing a 4-point wall to the left and then on the right. Let's see in English. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now in French with you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic! Well done.
Merci, Luc.
And now, the last photo pass for the Breitling Jet team. They are arriving left-hand side. Avenger formation.
Behind you, Frank, behind you. Frank.
You can see how close together they are, and they are turning left and climb to reach enough altitude for the final salute. And Pompon, our lead solo, is arriving for a low-pass, high-speed. Smoke on! He's reaching nearly 500 miles an hour. And this is his way to say goodbye to all of you. Bye-bye, Pompon!
Leader speaking. In this Memorial Day, we want to dedicate this display to all the veterans who came in Europe during the Second World War to fight for our freedom. Thank you, America.
It was live Jack's message for you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Mesdames et messieurs, in front of you for the final salute, the Breitling Jet team. Are you ready?
Spectacular.
Thank you very much. It was a great pleasure to perform for you today. We are so happy to be in America for our first time here. Thank you very much.
Bienvenue aux États-Unis, Luc. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Breitling Jet team and Luc Herbinier.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.